What is up, guys? It's Chris here, back again with another sneaker custom video. Don't worry, no flames this time, but I will be hydro dipping a Galaxy design onto a pair of Nike Foamposites. Now, Foamposites are one of the more difficult shoes to paint because of the material. It's really slick and it's hard to get paint to adhere to it. So I'm gonna be doing prep that's a little different from what you've seen previously in my videos. I'm not gonna go into the super details of it because that deserves its own detailed long video because that's a whole process, but I will run you through some of the quick steps. So let's get into hydro dipping this shoe. Okay, so today I'm gonna be adding a Galaxy print to these gold Foamposites. Yes, it sounds familiar, I know. But before I do that, I actually need to add a white base coat because that will make the colors in my Galaxy print look more bright and vibrant. The prep you need to do for Foamposites is quite different from most shoes. I've already sanded them with 320 grit sandpaper to add little scratches to the material for the paint to hold on to, and then I wiped them down with acetone. So now I'm going to be using a ratio of 60% white paint to 40% Createx Colors Adhesion Promoter, and I'm going to run it through my airbrush and lay down this white base coat. All the links to the products I'm using are down below in the description box. Let's get started. Okay, so now that my white base coat is done, I'm gonna put tape around the edges of my hydro dipping film. This is just gonna help it to float in the water. Then I'm gonna carefully drop it into my bucket of water and let it sit for about a minute while I'm pushing out all of the air bubbles from the middle of my design. This is important because the air bubbles will mess up your final finish. Then I'm gonna spray my activator and immediately get my shoes into that design. I hope you guys watched my last two hydro dipping videos before this one. Check those out if you haven't already. But I read the comments, I listened to what the people had to say, and you guys were basically saying that my angle was trash and I needed to fix it, and that I needed to dip the shoe slower. So I listened to the people, and that's what I did. Let's see how these turned out. Okay guys, so we are all done here. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the custom. Do you think it looks cool? Do you think it looks horrible? Let me know down below. Leave a like or a dislike if you didn't like them, and let's have a conversation down below. Now, in terms of how the shoes came out, you already know I like progress, and they definitely came out a lot better than my previous two videos. There aren't any big bubbles in the design. There aren't any super crazy flaws. There is some stretching of the material, but it's not too noticeable, and the Galaxy print still does look vibrant and really cool, to be honest. So I'm pretty happy with that. And you guys are asking me if they're wearable. I did a stress test and I was really flexing the paint and flexing the Foamposite material, and there was no cracking or anything. I would definitely say that hydro dipping, at least the way I just did it with these Foamposites, is definitely wearable and flexible, which makes me really happy because when you paint a shoe, you want to be able to wear it, and these are definitely gonna be wearable. Unfortunately, I was having a really hard time getting my tape to stick to the nubuck upper, so my tape job on these was horrible. If you noticed, I'm sure you already left a comment down below, but I couldn't get my tape to really stick to the nubuck, so I couldn't go crazy on the edges like I wanted to. And on top of that, it's hard to hydro dip really nice edges because of the nature of the technique. So before I wear these, I'm definitely gonna go back in with the detail brush and some black paint to clean them up a little bit. But thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for your time. If you're interested in watching more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on all your notifications so you'll know when I drop my next video. I will be making a lot more custom videos in the future. My next 2 videos probably won't be hydro dipping videos. I'm gonna be doing something else that's pretty different on the channel that I'm pretty excited for. So make sure to tune in. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.